Out here in the barn this morning working on the bush hog. I'm going to show you guys something real quick you can do with a crescent wrench. I bought this fork yesterday for the bush hog, and right now, if you can see that, right now the width of the fork is a little bit too small for this, for the hub of this wheel. So I need to spread these out. There's a lot of ways you could do this. If I had a torch right now, I could maybe heat it and bend it pretty easy. But it's not too hard to bend cold rolled steel. This is just flat bar, 2 by 3/8 by 2. So I think we can just kind of bulldog this thing, but the problem is I certainly can't do it like, that. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to get something to pry on this thing with, and that's where crescent wrench comes into play. So you just take your ordinary crescent wrench, use it to clamp onto your piece. So I could probably just bend this thing like that, or if I had a bigger crescent wrench it might get a little bit easier. I'm just going to put a bar on this thing. Let's see how that did. Hopefully you can see that. I'll see if I can put the shaft through. There you go. So that's just something you can do alternatively, other than just using a crescent wrench to tighten something.